Hey everyone, I'm Justin Renkin, Senior Brand Manager for ARK.io. And today I want to talk to you about ARK Grants. ARK Grants is a new program designed to incentivize developers to build innovative new projects using the ARK Core framework. You can use the program to get funding to build a proof of concept, a wallet plugin, or even a full production-ready application. Not only that, but the program has been seeded with 1 million ARK in funding to help show our dedication to growing the ARK ecosystem and provide new and exciting ways to utilize ARK technology. Applying has never been simpler. First, submit an application to grants@ark.io. You can see guidelines and an example application by visiting grants.ark.io. Next, the ARK team will review your application with you so that you can take any feedback and refine your pitch. Then, wait for results from the ARK Project Review Board. Once a decision is made, we'll reach out to you with the next steps. If you have an idea for an amazing decentralized application, a new use case for the ARK Public Network, or something really great you'd like to build as a plugin for the ARK Desktop Wallet, there's never been a better time to get started. We can't wait to see what you come up with. What are you waiting for? Go to grants.ark.io and submit an application today.